Welcome back to the ClassFlo tutorial series. In this video, we're going to learn about the conflict detection system. Let's talk about conflicts because they're going to happen, and ClassFlo makes handling them way less painful. ClassFlo has a powerful conflict detection system running in the background constantly, monitoring your schedule for problems. There are several types of conflicts. Room-related, 2 classes in the same room at overlapping times or more students than the room can hold. Teacher-related, a teacher double-booked in 2 places at once, a teacher scheduled for over 8 hours in a single day, a teacher with 3 or more hours of continuous teaching with no break, or back-to-back classes with no rest. Student-related, a student enrolled in overlapping classes, students with back-to-back classes and no break, students with over 2 hours of continuous classes, or very young students, 6 and under, in classes starting at 8 p.m. or later. And capacity, more students enrolled in a class than its maximum capacity allows. ClassFlo only checks classes that are actually on the calendar, scheduled classes. Classes sitting in your library don't trigger conflicts because they're not placed yet. Conflicts come in 3 severity levels, each with a different color. Red equals critical. These must be fixed. Things like double bookings that literally can't happen in real life. Amber equals warning. Significant issues that should be addressed but aren't fatal, like a teacher going over 8 hours or a class slightly over capacity. Blue equals info. Soft warnings to improve quality, like back-to-back classes or late classes for young kids. Good to know, but not emergencies. When a conflict happens, you'll see it immediately on the calendar. Class blocks get colored borders. Red for critical, amber for warning, blue for info. In the top right corner of each affected class, you'll see a little conflict badge showing the count. If there's a teacher conflict, the teacher name inside the tile turns red. Quick visual cue. When a conflict gets triggered, the conflict tab in the left sidebar opens automatically and filters to show you exactly what's wrong with that class. For now, let's open the conflicts tab manually. Click it in the left sidebar. At the top, you'll see the total count of visible conflicts. Below that are 2 filter chips, critical and warnings. Click them to toggle what you see. Both are on by default, so you see everything. But if you only want to focus on must-fix issues, turn off warnings temporarily. Scroll down and you'll see conflicts grouped by type. Teacher conflicts, room conflicts, student conflicts, capacity issues. Let's look at the teacher conflicts. It tells me exactly which classes are involved. Below the message, you'll usually see suggestion bullet points. Move Hip Hop 2 to Studio 2, or start Hip Hop at 5 p.m. instead. These aren't just descriptions, they're actionable. You can take these suggestions and manually fix the conflict. Click on a conflict card. Watch what happens. Both affected class blocks on the calendar light up with a glowing highlight. The calendar smoothly scrolls to the center of the first affected class so you can see exactly what's going on. Student conflicts work a little bit differently. Instead of listing every student individually, ClassFlo groups them by which classes are involved. Let's say you got 3 classes all at the same time, and several students are enrolled in overlapping combinations. You'll see messages like students double booked, ballet 2, jazz 1, tap with 5 students affected. Click to expand and you'll see exactly which students are enrolled in which classes. This grouping makes it way easier to understand the problem and fix it efficiently. As a pro tip, here's how I recommend handling conflicts. When you're building a new schedule, don't stress about conflicts as you're placing classes. Just get everything on the calendar first. Then open up the conflicts tab and work through them systematically. It's faster than trying to fix as you go. Use the filters, toggle off warnings if you want to focus only on critical issues. Once those are fixed, turn warnings back on and handle the less urgent stuff. Always click on a conflict to see the affected classes light up. It's way faster than hunting for them manually. For student conflicts, fix them by group rather than one student at a time. Move an entire class or reassign a whole group. Much more efficient. One important thing, conflicts are always checked within your current mode and view. In dates mode, if you're viewing a specific day, you only see conflicts for that day. In template mode, you only see conflicts for your weekly template. Template and dates conflicts never mix, so you can work on your weekly template without seeing unrelated date-specific conflicts, and vice versa. Keeps things clean and focused. Let me set some expectations though. The conflict system is advisory only. It tells you what's wrong, but it doesn't automatically fix anything. You have to manually move classes, reassign teachers, adjust rooms, or change enrollment. Also, teacher availability rules and autofill constraints aren't enforced by the conflict system. Those are handled by the autofill engine. The conflict system only looks at what's actually on the calendar right now. The goal is simple. catch problems before they cause real-world chaos. A double-booked teacher showing up to find 2 classes expecting them, not happening with ClassFlo. In the next video, we're going to discuss the template manager.